Hello driving intelligence community. I want to do a follow-up on my Piranha 800 pump replacement on a 2006 Malibu. These pumps are not as robust as many of the other pumps that I've worked on. So I wanted to talk about one thing I had left out of those videos, and that's how you can do some maintenance on these while they're still in the boat. What you see here is the cartridge. It's got the screw-in ring, and it has the impeller, and then the pump body is still in the boat. You can actually take these out to clean them by disengaging with this spin ring and then pulling them out. You'll still have the wires attached, and of course you'll have exposure to all this, and you can clean out the pump body very easily. There is a set pin. But one thing that I feel like I would do, there is a couple other things that you can do to extend maybe the life of these pumps. If you take a small screwdriver and pry the impeller off the shaft, this one is not as happy to come off as some of the other ones. What you'll find are two screws at the bottom. These two screws can be used to drain any kind of fluid that's in here. What I would do, taking these screws out, is spray some WD-40 in there and then just rotate the pump shaft. Let that lubricate and work on some of the corrosion inside there. Then I put the screws back in and reassemble the pump. That might give you more life. But if you do spray WD-40 in there, I would maybe do it in the winter, let it soak in there. If you could let it soak all winter, I would do that. Then turn it back upside down before you put the two screws back in. Let it drain as much as possible. Put the screws in, put it back in the boat, and maybe you'll increase the service life of these. For some reason, these get more garbage and junk inside the motor housing itself than some of the other pumps that I've looked at. So just a quick tip that explains how you get this out of the boat and can do some maintenance on this during the winter.